G'day there, I'm John Bowe and I'm out at Gray's to check out this week's trinkets. And this, for all you Happy Days lovers, is a 55 Chevy, a resto mod, and it's a cool looking car.
Now this is a family car for a very, very cool family, of course.
This is actually an Australian assembled car by GMH, so it wasn't converted left to right. It's got these beautiful period Krager alloy wheels, big ones on the back, not so big on the front. It's a good looking thing. The 50s Chevys were pretty special. Okay, beautiful little small block Chevy, chrome air cleaner, chrome rocker covers, power booster on the brakes, nice headers. What's more could you want for in a little resto mod Chevy? This is very period Happy Days, beautiful. Like, it's nice in the trim, it's all obviously redone, custom, but you know, this could be in the 50s and we could be going down to the diner and getting a burger. So have a look, Gray's Classic Cars. This car will be live very shortly, so have a look at it, have a bid. Beautiful little resto mod 55 Chevrolet. Nice little rumble.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.